So the final two grid-in questions in this SAT practice test we've been going through involve the same setup, right? 37 and 38 both involve this little paragraph right here. So it's talking about Jessica opening a bank account or compounded annually, meaning she's only paid interest at the end of every calendar year, not at the end of every month, not at the end of every week or day. She's only paid interest once per year. Her initial deposit was $100, and she uses the expression 100x to the t to find the value of the account after t years. What is the value of x in the expression? So the way that I chose to think about this is to think about how much money she's going to have after that first year. If she doesn't put any more money in and she's paid interest once at the end of that first year, she's going to get 2% of the initial amount that she put in. And it should be pretty easy to recognize that 2% of 100 is going to be $2. So after 1 year, the account will have grown by 2% or by $2. So what I did is I just kind of, if you think about setting up a little equation here, 100 in place of, well, I guess we didn't have to put 100 in place of anything. It's already there for us. So I've got the 100 here. I do have 1 going in place of the t. I know that that's going to equal 102. If I solve this equation for x, I'm going to see that x is going to be equal to 1.02. If you just use the idea of a simple interest equation, which I'm sure some of you are familiar with, you're going to have at the end of that 1 year 100% of that initial deposit plus an additional 2%. So the decimal that represents 2% would be 0.02. So the value of x within this equation through either of the ways that we just kind of talked about thinking about it is going to be 1.02.